in doing leadership training seminars? Maybe some of you are asking this question. The thing is, today, when you go inside this event hall, did you pay for some amount of money? Wala. You know wala? You know why? It's because later, when you go out, that is the time that you will pay. No kidding. Thing is, Reway International has put so much effort, so much emphasis, and so much investment for the education of leaders, my dear leaders of Reway International. That's why today, not only here in the Philippines, but also across Reway International, we have a lot of leadership training seminars. Reway has taught me two things. Two important investments. What are these investments? You see, if we are talking about investments, the first thing that comes to our mind is what? Real estate. Am I right? Why? Because real estate, when we think of real estate, we say this is a very good investment because the value of the land appreciates over time. Is it true?
Yes.
And not only that, not only real estate, also jewelry, also gold. Why? Because we can easily sanla. Tama? We can easily liquidate this investment, these assets. So you see, there are a lot of investments that outside would tell us. But the thing is, inside Reway International, there are two important investments that Reway has taught me. What are these two important investments? The first investment is investing onto the people. Later this training seminar, you will be understanding why is it so important that we invest into our people. And the second thing, the second important investment that Reway has taught me is the investment onto ourselves. Onto yourselves. You see today, you are inside this hall. You are inside this hall sitting for how many hours in order for you to learn? Tama? You'll be sitting for how many hours in order for you to learn? That's why I believe that you all are here because this is also important to you. Learning is also important to you. Education is also important to you. That's why you are willing to sit down here for how many hours? With that, can you give yourselves a big, big round of applause? So you see, this second investment, investing into ourselves. Maybe some of you will be asking, JD, why is it so important for us to invest into ourselves? Is it really important for us to invest to ourselves? You see today, we are already in the era wherein everything is just one click away. Today, if you want to create a video, even if you will not go a video shoot, you can do a video. You can create a video. Isn't it?
Yes.
Today, if you want to do a poster, even if you don't do design, you can easily create a poster. It's just one click away. Today, robots can easily do household chores. Everything now is artificial intelligence. So that's why it's very important for us to invest into ourselves. Why? Because today, artificial intelligence has changed already the facets of our everyday lives. So what do you mean by this? A few days ago, I saw a video. This video is about a fast food chain. I believe you know this fast food chain called Jollibee. What is this video all about? Okay, so this video is all about an automated payment machine. Meaning to say, a customer will just insert money and then you will just wait for your order already. So if you are the customer, you would be very, very happy. Am I right? Why? Because everything is convenient already. No, you don't have any long lines, you don't need to wait, you don't need to queue already, you just need to insert your money, and you just need to wait for your order. So for us, it's very convenient. But there are people who feel threatened because of this. Who are these people? These people are the workforce of Jollibee. Meaning to say, these people, they are already threatened. Why? Maybe the following year, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, maybe they think that they will be replaced by machines already. Maybe this cashier, after 2 years, they don't have already job. Why? Because they will be replaced already by automated machine, automated payment machines. So they feel threatened. So, why I'm sharing this? You see, today, we are inside Riway International. Why I'm sharing this? There is one thing that artificial intelligence cannot replace. And what is this? Leadership. Leadership. And Riway International has put so much effort, so much energy to build leaders of Riway International, especially those who are sitting in front. Can we give them a big, big round of applause? So why is it so important for us to create leaders? Why is it so important that Riway International has been putting so much emphasis into creating leaders? You see, today, when we create leaders, we nurture people. We mold people. That's why today, I'm very lucky that I will be introducing our speakers for today's Regional Leadership Training Seminar. Our first speaker is someone that I wanted to become. Someone that I really emulate. Someone that I wanted to be like him. Why? Because when we say that leader, this person is worth to follow. Am I right? When we say leader, this person should be someone that is worthy to emulate. Is it true? Yes. That's why, for me, this person that I'm about to call in front is, I believe, someone worthy of emulation. Someone worth to follow. Why? I'll share with you a story about this person. Really is very naggy. Naggy in the sense that he would always remind me. Remind me of what? Not actually, it's not always about work, but for me, this person that I actually remember so much is this phrase. This phrase goes like this. Be human. In Mandarin, 做人. Tama? 做人. And in English, it's be human. What do you mean by this? You see, it's actually easy to be human. It's very, very easy to be human. But it's very hard to be human. And every time that I am being reminded by this person, he would always remind me not only about work, but also about my family. How come a boss like him would still worry about family, would still worry about outside things? It's not part already of his job description. But the thing is, even if it's not part of his job description, he would still worry. Why? Because He thinks of me as someone as own people. Own people meaning to say, whatever it is, no one can separate us already. This is a person that I'm really proud to introduce. Ladies and gentlemen, our first speaker for today, Rio Philippines General Manager, James John.